Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to buy Saitama Inu on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trust Wallet app. So here it is. Make sure you're logged in to Trust Wallet. Now in bottom right corner we can see this browser icon. So let's tap on this and search for Uniswap interface. Now we need to select token and search for Saitama. So here it is. Here, since I do not have sufficient balance in Ethereum, it shows as insufficient ETH balance. If you do have it, you can find a swipe option over here and you can simply tap on to continue the transaction. So this is all. This is how we can buy Saitama Inu on Trust Wallet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.